climate-controlled truck arrives at a modern hatchery facility in the United States, carrying trays of fertilized eggs. The truck slowly backs into the unloading dock to maintain stable conditions for the fertilized eggs. The truck doors open, revealing trays filled with light brown fertilized eggs. Workers carefully move the trays of fertilized eggs onto a clean stainless steel conveyor system. The fertilized eggs travel forward into the receiving and inspection area. Each fertilized egg rotates under an automated scanning system to check for cracks or defects. Any damaged egg is removed from the production line to maintain quality standards. Approved fertilized eggs continue moving toward the sanitation section. The eggs enter a sealed disinfection chamber for surface sanitation. Sanitized fertilized eggs exit the chamber and continue along the conveyor. The trays filled with fertilized eggs are lifted and transported toward the setter incubator. The incubation trays slide into the large setter machine. Inside the setter, rows of fertilized eggs are arranged under controlled environmental conditions. Digital control systems regulate temperature and humidity for the fertilized eggs. The automatic turning system gently tilts the trays of fertilized eggs. The fertilized eggs rotate slightly during the turning cycle to ensure even development. The eggs continue incubating under steady airflow inside the setter. Ventilation systems circulate filtered air evenly around the fertilized eggs. Sensors monitor temperature and humidity near the fertilized eggs in real time. After several days, the fertilized eggs are removed from the setter for candling inspection. Each fertilized egg passes over a bright candling light to confirm embryo development. Non-developing eggs are separated, while healthy fertilized eggs move forward. Viable fertilized eggs are transferred into horizontal hatching trays. The hatching trays are placed inside a controlled hatcher unit. Humidity levels increase inside the hatcher to prepare the fertilized eggs for hatching. Small internal movements appear inside the fertilized eggs as hatching approaches. A small crack forms on the shell during the first stage of pipping. The chick pushes against the shell, widening the crack. A yellow chick emerges from the light brown fertilized egg. Newly hatched yellow chicks rest among the broken shells. The chicks dry under warm, filtered air inside the hatcher. Dried yellow chicks move gently onto a soft conveyor system. The chicks travel in a continuous line toward the inspection area. Each chick is checked for alertness and physical condition. The healthy chicks pass through an automated vaccination system. Vaccinated chicks are carefully placed into ventilated transport boxes. The transport boxes filled with healthy yellow chicks are loaded into a climate-controlled vehicle for delivery.